Welcome to day 5.
Habari asubuhi.
Good morning.
And good morning. This is our breakfast table. It's the start of day 5 and we haven't even made it out of the car park because we've seen a whole lot of birds, new birds, right here.
Baboon.
There, and we've got olive baboons off of the marabou stalks. Baby baboons.
Yeah, we're Ferrari Safari.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Ferrari Safari, we're going very fast.
There's a large mammal at 3 o'clock on the left-hand side. There's kind of a broken off stick beyond that, and kind of right now it's hidden behind.
Baboons!
There's something in the tree.
Baboons
On the ground.
What do we got?
What do we want?
Closer view.
Oh, that was good.
Now we have monkeys and elephants from the restaurant. I'm going out in the veranda. First, I have to unlock the doors. I can hear something over there in the trees. Now I'm going back in. and I have to do something very important. I have to relock the doors, otherwise the baboons or the monkeys can get in.
We are seeing that it has a purple rump and it's in the same shade. So maybe if it had purple shoulders, we would still be able to see it.
Let's see now a bit earlier.
So it's day 5. We've started our afternoon safari and
Oh, it moved.
we're trying to figure out what this sunbird is. Oh, that's beautiful.
Well, a cat just walked past us, a small cat. When I say small cat, it's still quite reasonable size. And we think it was a sand cat, but we look in the book and there's only swamp cat. But it looks exactly like that, but we've got some really good photographs from Chris. So Jackson's going to send it to someone.
Stay tuned.
But nevertheless,
It was awesome.
nobody's seen one before. In the car, so.
In the car, so it's a new one for everyone in the car. And here we are on safari in Kenya. And I can't keep the GoPro straight.
Dog, the Makwa dog on the ground in front, just 12:30 in front of the vehicle on the right hand side of the road. A nice male Makwa dove.
About a foot from the break-hand end.
Yeah, just in. Elephant on the road, right in front of it. Big one. Black-faced sandgrouse, right in front.
I'd rather than go to the elephant versus to the elephants.
Wait, I feel wrong.
So that elephant is closed often means my territory.
Dear me, I am not certain what, but even now I have it right. How here it was, he got his trunk entangled in the telephone. The more he tried to get it free, the louder buzzed the telefeed. I fear I'd better drop this song of telephones and tell-along.
Is this no good? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we're turning round, people. Go.
Whoa. My bruises from Ferrari Safari. Tomorrow, we change seats, so I'll be on the other side so I can bruise the other arm. And this is the gift shop. Lots of cool stuff. And that's the end of day 5. An amazing day out all day finding animals, giraffes, elephants, warthogs, some cat they didn't know what it was. Amazing. Time for dinner and then bed.